Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to view and download a YouTube video thumbnail in a simple and safe way. Before we begin, one important reminder. YouTube's terms of service don't allow downloading other people's content unless you have permissions from the right holder. So please use this method only for your own videos or when you have the creator permissions. This tutorial is purely for educational purposes. So how you can do it? You can simply open any of your browser. So now we're going to select a video, that thumbnail I want to see or download. So here I'm going to select this photo slider. If I just open it, after opening this, you need to create a new tab and going to copy this link and going to paste it into our new tab and click enter. You can see there is nothing showing. Well, what you here have to do, you just need to come over into the video link and here we need to copy after this V and equal. You just need to copy it and now you need to come over into this link and here you can simply see video ID. Into this video ID section, simply select them and paste the video ID. And if you now click enter, you can see your thumbnail image into this system. You can see I have 4 links that shows high resolution image, standard resolution, medium resolution and low resolution. You can simply copy them from your need. If I just copy this standard resolution, if I just copy it, and now if I go for another new tab and simply paste them, and now if I just copy this video ID, if I just copy it and go for that standard resolution and select the video ID, select it and paste it, and if I just click enter, now you can see the standard resolution. You can see one by one if you need the medium resolution, low resolution. Don't worry, I will give you this link into video description. From there you can simply copy it and give the video ID that I shows you from your video or any specific video that you have rights to show their thumbnail, then you can do the simple method like mine. So this is how we can simply do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.